Hello, myself Karanam Ajit Assistant Professor, Vijayanagara College, Hosapete. Now in today's class we shall discuss the stationary waves, what are the formation of stationary waves and what are the characteristics of stationary waves. When the two simple harmonic waves of same amplitude, frequency and time period traveling along the same straight line in opposite direction, then the resultant wave is known as stationary waves. Now let us understand the formation of stationary waves. Let us now understand the formation of stationary waves. Consider the two waves A and B of same amplitude and wavelength traveling in opposite directions along the same straight line. At any instant of time, at time t is equal to 0, all the particles are in the state of rest or along the mean position. As the time passes, the wave A moves along positive x-axis and the wave B moves in negative x-axis. After a time of t is equal to t by 4 seconds, both the waves moves through a distance of lambda by 4 in their respective directions. And at the time t is equal to t by 4, the points such as 2, 4 and 6 are at mean position, whereas the points such as 1, 3, 5 and 7 having maximum displacement at a time t is equal to t by 4 seconds. After a time of t is equal to t by 2 seconds, all the particles are in the state of rest or along the mean position. And at time t is equal to 3t by 4 seconds, the particles such as 2, 4 and 6 are at mean position, whereas the particles 1, 3, 5 and 7 are at maximum displacement, but in opposite direction to that of t is equal to t by 4 seconds. This is at time t is equal to t by 4 and this is at time t is equal to 3t by 4 seconds. And it is evident that at the same particles such as 2, 4, 6 are always be in the state of rest, while some of the particles 1, 3, 5 and 7 are always be in the state of maximum displacement. Therefore, the resultant wave will move in neither the direction of A nor in the direction of B, but it appears to be stationary. Hence, the formation of stationary waves or standing waves. Now we shall understand what are the characteristics of stationary waves. The stationary waves consisting of two waves. One is original wave, another is reflected wave. And there is no transmission of energy along the direction of the wave. And there is no transmission of disturbance along any direction. And it consisting of nodes and antinodes. These are nodes. Nodes are the points in the medium at which displacement is minimum. And these are called antinodes. Antinodes are the points at which displacement is maximum. They are called antinodes. And these consisting of loops. These are called loops or ventral segments. The length of one loop or ventral segment is distance between the consecutive nodes or antinodes. The distance between consecutive nodes or antinodes is lambda by 2. And the distance between node and successive antinode is lambda by 4. And in the same segment, all the particles will be in the same phase and their velocity and acceleration will be maximum or minimum at the same time. The general appearance of a wave is a sine wave. It is a sine wave, but it reduces to the straight line twice in each time period. Thank you.